How are you today? My name is Miss Sally, and I brought my book bag. Shall we see what story we have today? Oh, it's one of my favorites. A Boy, a Dog, and a Frog by Mercer. It's a little tiny book, that's why I'm so close. Now, this is another book with no words in it, so we're going to look at all the pictures and see if the pictures can tell our story. There we go, a boy and his dog. I wonder where they're going. Remember the name of the book? They must be looking for a frog. Okay, here we go. Here's the little boy, and he's looking down at the pond. And what does he see? There's a little frog right on the lily pad. He's going to run down and catch that frog with his net, but uh-oh, he trips on the log. Curse, splash in the water. Oh, that frog's got a grouchy face. But then he smiles at the boy and they look at each other. Think he can catch that frog? Let's see if he catches that frog. He tries to catch it, but the frog jumps away and lands on that big log over there. Boy, that boy looks frustrated, doesn't he? So he tells his dog, you go that way and I'll go this way, and we'll sneak up on that frog and catch him. There they go. Think they're going to get the frog this time? He's got his net. He's getting ready to catch that frog. And, he missed the frog and got the dog in the net. Look at that frog, fell in the water. That poor doggy. He's got the net on him. What happens next? Oh, there he's got the dog in the net. And that frog looks angry. He's going to climb up on a stone. See what happens next. Oh, the boy's yelling, forget it, you just stay here, Mr. Frog. What do you think he says? That's what I think he's saying. The frog looks kind of sad. He says, I'm going home. That frog looks a little bit sad. I guess he's not getting the frog after all. So the boy and his dog go home. That frog looks really sad now. Oh, no. Poor frog's all by himself. The boy and his dog are going home. No frog. And there's the frog way down there. Little frog way down there. Now the frog's all by himself. I think he kind of had fun during that little adventure. Oh, see, there he is. He's got a sad face on. You see his little sad face? He's following their footprints down the hill, through the house. Oh, I guess that frog didn't want to be by himself after all. Gonna follow all those footprints. wonder where those footprints lead to. Let's find out. Oh, there's the boy and the dog taking a bath. And look at the frog. He's got a big smile on his face. I guess he wanted some company after all. Oh, there he is. And he jumps in the tub with the boy and his dog. And there they sit, all three together. The end. I hope you liked my story today. I sure had fun looking at it with you. I didn't read any words, so we sure had fun looking at those pictures. And I'll see you next time. Bye.